In online courses, many professors expect their students to use the internal mail messages to communicate with them. Students in a class may also use the messages tool to communicate with their fellow students. The number next to the messages on the navigation bar indicates the number of unread messages you have received. To see the messages, click on the Messages link on the navigation bar. On the Messages page, you will see all the messages you have received or you have sent. For each message, you will see the names of the sender and recipients. The messages you have received or sent will be listed chronologically with the most recent message on the top. You will see each of the initial messages on the Messages page directly. The purple number next to a sender indicates the number of unread messages you have received. To read all unread messages relating to the original sender, click on the sender's name.